Hey YouTube fam, what's going on? It's your girl, Lilcutenurse. What's going on, y'all? I know y'all like, where the hell you been? It's this Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. It's killing me. I mean, I get up at 4. I'm at work by 7:20. I get off at 4:30. I get home by 5:15, 5:30. By the time I eat and cook, it's time to go to bed and do it again. So I'm really struggling with figuring out how to manage this. It's a struggle, for real. But I got my BoxyCharm. I got my BoxyCharm on time. I really did get this maybe Monday. So I'm only a little 2 days behind, but I got it on time. I got my last month's Sephora Pay box. Don't worry, y'all. I'll put this at the end of the haul. If y'all don't want to see what's in this box, I get it. I understand. But if I'm not mistaken, this last month box is on sale. No, I think it's $10. You still can order on Sephora if you want to see what was in it. But anyway, I just had to give y'all a quick update. I'm gonna come in here and do some videos on Saturday. I really haven't been doing a lot. I had to reach over here and get this. A lot of makeup, hauling and buying. That's so good. Inbox me, I'll tell you what it is. Anyway, I haven't been buying a lot of makeup because I had to get this new iPhone X Max XS whatever, 512 gigabytes. I like it, but I don't know how to work it yet. And Apple had to go and come out with the watch to match. Of course, I had to get it. I don't know why, but I had to get it. So that's been stunting my makeup growth. So, but anyway, and honestly, I'm saving for the next VIP sale. Y'all already know it's right around the corner, so I've been holding out. All right, that's enough talking. I haven't running my mouth long enough. Let's see what's in this month's box. Feel pretty heavy too, y'all. We got a 10% off code just for you, Boxy. Off of It Cosmetics. That's cool. Okay, I like when they send these cards. Oh dang, I didn't get the Kat Von D lipstick I wanted. Y'all know I be watching the spoilers. And I just got this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. First thing I see, this box. If I'm talking too much and I'm jumping in this, let me back up. But just about everybody knows what BoxyCharm is. If you don't, I'm gonna tell you now. It's a $21 a month subscription box, and you get 4 to 5 full-size items, and the box is usually anywhere from, what is it, y'all, $120, $135, $135. It's way more than your $21. Now that's over. Let me get back. Now, this is It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Yeah, I'm not gonna open this. I will let you see what it look like, because I got this last month. Where did I get this from? I did it in a haul. I remember opening it. Where did I get this? I think it was something free from Ulta, a free gift from Ulta, or a perk or something. And I haven't even opened it up yet because I got the new NARS mascara. But I did try a sample of this when it first came out, the little small one, and I liked it. So anyway, the next thing I got in here is a Guava Mineral Hand Cream. Treat your hand. Oh, how much was that? Oh, that Superhero Mascara was $24, y'all. $24. This Ahava Mineral Oil Hand Cream is $10. It says Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. My hand's a little ashy. I'm gonna try this now. I tried the what is it, like a shower gel? I still got half of it in there. That was last year. I don't know. I just don't care for shower gels that just don't suds up. Oh, I like this and the smell of it. It's like slick and smooth, but not oily. I can do that. Put that right in my purse. Okay. And the next thing I see here is a Kat Von D. This is why I was frowning. liquid lipstick, and this liquid lipstick is 20 bucks, and I'm frowning because I already have the shade. I got the shade Bow and Arrow. I was wanting that vampy red color so bad, but I got Bow and Arrow. I'll swatch it for you. It's just a nice nude, natural, light brown looking color. Yeah, but I already have it. Maybe I'll hold it till my daughter gets here because she decided to move back again. Okay, moving on. The next thing I see in here is Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. And this is by Briogeo. Now see, I just put one of these kits. They got a Christmas kit in my cart because I wanted to try it, but I didn't know they had a leave-in mask, so I'm gonna be trying this. Oh, it smells good too. And it's a spray leave-in. Yeah, I'm gonna start using this tomorrow, or matter of fact, tonight. As soon as I pop this wig off and shampoo my hair, it's going on. I might not even shampoo my hair. I might just spray it in there, for real. I'm telling y'all the truth now. The last thing in here, how much is that Briogeo? Oh, the Briogeo spray leave-in is $16. And the last thing in this box is a Pure Complexions Authority Midnight Masquerade palette. This palette retails for 38 bucks. Let's see what we got here. Get that out the way. Oh, this is from Pure Cosmetics. Pure been pumping out the palettes, y'all. I get a blush palette. I got a highlight palette. Oh, it's always something I can't get into. What was it? A contour. A contour palette, a blush palette. I think it was another eyeshadow palette in one of the BoxyCharm boxes. So I really want to see what this one looks like, because they've been getting on down. Oh, this is what the front looks like, yeah. Okay. Midnight Masquerade. Oh, these some chocolate girl colors. Okay, those are the blushes. I like that deep berry right here, and I like that pink. And those are the shadows. It's a small mirror there, y'all. But those are the shadows. It looks like 1, 2, 3 shimmers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shimmers. And 1 sneak peek. That's what it's called. It's called sneak peek in brown. I like that. I like that. I'm probably gonna be using this tomorrow. Like that. Okay, let me keep it moving. Keep it moving. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in that box. All right, now if you guys want to stay, check out my last month, September. What is this? October? Yeah, September's BoxyCharm. I mean September's play box. Sephora play box. Let's get it on. As usual, I got my $50. I mean $50. Which was the dollar? 50 points to add to my account, increase my spending habits, what they be trying to do, but I always forget the card. Okay, what is this? Want to see these invitations, IRL. Okay, what is it? The Next Gen Beauty. I guess it's the theme. Next Gen Beauty, yeah, it's the thing. And this is what the packaging looks like. If you guys did not get to see this, and I didn't open it, y'all. I honestly didn't even peep into it. The first thing I see on here is a Peter, Thomas, and Ross. Of course, it's tiny because let me pour this out. I ain't gonna keep this bag. It just don't look worth it. Anyway, what is this? Peter, Thomas, and Roth. The Powerful Heat Mask uses Hungarian thermal water and to nurture your skin. Okay, I'm gonna use this tonight. And it heats up. Why is it trendy? How to use: apply a quarter size to cleanse dry skin, let it set for 3 minutes with wet fingers, massage the mask to activate. Okay, I ain't gonna do that now because I don't want to burn my face. I mean my hand while I'm sitting. We're gonna see. I got to. I'm too nosy not to. Let's see what this gonna do. Put it right there. Okay, it just get warm. Not really hot. It's just warm. It got a little grit to it. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna use that tonight. And the next thing I see in here is a succulent solution, a lightweight moisturizer formulated with Queen of the Night cactus for soft, supple skin. And this is Boxy's. A lightweight moisturizer. Ooh, that's what it looks like. Oh, it smells good. Okay, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna use that in the mornings before my makeup. Fast absorbing solution is formula with Queen of the Night cactus hydrate nature to revive skin. Plus the peptide complex repairs damage due to dehydration. Yeah, okay. So far they doing good. The next thing I see in here, oh, now they could have kept this because I bought this foundation. And this is the Marc Jacobs Shameless Youth Foundation in Y50. I think I bought Y505. Yeah. So, yeah. Put that in there. I'd probably get it to somebody at work who's a little lighter with me and probably who's not, you know, got as much to cover because this foundation, I need a little bit more to cover and I'm a little bit too oily for it, so I just kept it because I keep trying it. But yeah, samples are no. And then we got this Buildable Breakthrough Sephora Collection mascara. I got so many mascaras open, y'all. We ain't gonna open this mascara. And Sephora really pissed me off when they put their products in their box. I mean, for real. But Sephora products are good too, so I ain't gonna be too mad. At least I get to try it. Even though they're a lot cheaper, I do buy some stuff that's Sephora. I'm lying. Yes, I do. Face mask, the micellar water. There's a few things I bought Sephora brand, but I've never really tried the makeup. I think I bought that face powder. Yeah, face powder, micellar water. So maybe I should try a few more Sephora brand products. Just maybe. Yeah. Okay. And then I got a Tom Ford Black Orchid sample perfume. I know how this smells. It smells absolutely awesome, but I will not be paying $215 for a perfume. The Ragabones, I think is about as high as I go. I'm lying. Just right now. Because I do like that, not the Black Orchid, but the Blanc. I like the Blanc one. And I'm thinking about getting it, but it's $256, so maybe somebody will get it for me for Christmas. And then the last thing here is another repeat, which is the Hangover Primer by Too Faced. I have this in full size, but I hardly ever reach for it because I cannot remember it because I'm so wrapped up in that Tatcha Clean Slate Primer. Okay, y'all, I guess I just done about talk y'all heads off. I hope everybody's been blessed and been having an awesome last 2 weeks since I've been gone. Still in this land of living, not struggling. And yeah, I'll see you guys Saturday, if the Lord said the same. Stay blessed and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.